Same form factor, but 3 entirely different pens by different makers. This is the Majohn A2. This is the Jinhao 10. And this is the old standard, the Pilot Vanishing Point. These have extra fine nibs, and this has a fine nib. And they look very similar, but write very differently. These have steel nibs. This has an 18 karat gold nib. And what I find the most interesting when I write with these is that the Majohn, they're both very smooth writers. But there's a slightest drag when you write with it. And the same thing with this Jinhao. It's very smooth as well, but there's just the faintest lag, and it's not uncomfortable at all, and it's only noticeable when you compare it immediately with the Pilot Vanishing Point, the gold standard in retractable fountain pen. This thing glides, and since it's an 18 karat nib, it has a slight bit of bounce to it. Very soft, very smooth, and no drag whatsoever. So this pen is obviously more pricey. These are the more affordable options. But I'll tell you, each one of them has something special to offer to the fountain pen enthusiasts. And I'm very happy to have all 3 of them in my collection.